The Indian Army Chief has concluded a 4-day visit to France, during which both sides discussed measures to further boost the already extensive defense cooperation between the two countries. French firm Nexter has offered the local production of modernized Clerk main battle tank at an extremely competitive price under the FRCV program that can also be exported to friendly countries. The Army Chief was also briefed on the Nexter 155mm 52 caliber towed artillery gun, as the Army has a total requirement of around 1,840 howitzers. At a time when request for proposal for the MRFA program is expected by mid-2023, the chief executive of Lockheed Martin India has said in an interview that if the F-21 is selected, it will manufacture the fighter jet in India with high indigenous content. Tata Lockheed Martin Aerostructures Limited is already manufacturing F-16 wings with 70% indigenous content for the global supply chain. He also said that when compared with the Pakistani F-16, the F-21 is a generation ahead and can support triple-rail launchers for carrying the latest AIM-120D AMRAAM missile, which means that it will carry 40% more BVR missiles than the Pakistani F-16. The DRDO has made significant progress in photonic radar development and will soon realize the integrated photonic transmit-receive modules along with photonic distribution network. The photonic radar can detect stealth objects with better accuracy than traditional radar systems, as it uses photonic system to generate much higher bandwidth signals to detect smaller objects more precisely. The Indian Air Force had officially informed the government that it doesn't want to procure the American NASAMS-2 in a deal worth $1 billion in 2020, and rather procure Air Force variant of the VL-SRSAM that is based on Astra air-to-air missile. As per latest reports, the DRDO is developing the Air Force version of VL-SRSAM that will be mounted on 8x8 high-mobility vehicle. It will be in a ready-to-fire configuration inside protective canisters, and development trials are expected to start in 2024. According to a US intelligence report, China has started to equip its 10,000 km range JL-3 third-generation submarine-launched ballistic missiles into its 6 Jin-class submarines, replacing the 7,200 km range-older second-generation JL-2 SLBM, which has raised several eyebrows in the US Navy, but it should equally concern India for various reasons, as it can hit targets all over India without the submarine even entering the Indian Ocean region. Experts have said that India must fast-track its K5 and K6 SLBM programs, and should strive to achieve SLBMs with 10,000 km range, as the existing 4,000 km range K4 SLBM is more Pakistan-centric, and it won't be enough for China. The Indian Air Force is in the process of installing new radar systems all along the line of actual control with China. Proposals worth over 10,000 crore rupees are at an advanced stage in the Defense Ministry for the acquisition of high-powered AESA radar systems and around 20 low-level transportable ashwini radars under Make in India. The Indian Army's Southwestern Command conducted an integrated firepower exercise at the Mahajan Field Firing Range in Thar Desert. The Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force hit the simulated targets using laser-guided weapons and 1,000 kg Gaurav glide bomb, while the Army's T-90 tanks K9 Vajra howitzers also participated in the military drill in the border state. The exercise also saw the participation of drones, armed helicopters, air defense guns and radar systems.
Omar dropped it.